I just got done spraying the engine bay, so I'm gonna show y'all a quick review. The reason why I didn't record it because if you know if you live in Florida, it's a lot of rain. So I just got up early morning, sand down the engine bay, and I sprayed the color black first, and then I hit it with some clear coat. This is the finish, y'all. What y'all think? How it look? That motherfucker looks shiny. That motherfucker shiny. Oh, you don't go on my shit. Get the fuck up out of here. Y'all see that bug? Shouldn't get up on my paint and shit. Ooh, whiskey. Oh fuck. I touched it. That's gonna get covered anyways. But yeah, y'all, so I sprayed it outside. Hope it don't rain no time soon, but the sun is beaming, so it should dry quick. I used a medium reducer. Gotta let it run there. I probably got a shit ton of run, but yeah, I ain't even get the clear in there. So I got me a little clear thing in the can. What gloss clear? So whatever I didn't get, I'm gonna use this and finish it up. And you have like some dry spray spots. So I'm just gonna hit it with this real quick. This is what I'm using. Hit all the dry spray spots. But this shit about to leave a whole bunch of overspray. This shit is annoying as a motherfucker, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. Get up all up in there, just in case the gunning, just in case the clearing get up all up in there the first time. Feel me